If you've closed your Google account and wish to reopen it, follow these steps to guide you through the process. Keep in mind that the ability to recover your account may depend on how long it has been since you closed it. Step 1. Visit the Google Account Recovery page. Before starting recovery, use the shrc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Enter your email address. Input the email address of the account you wish to recover. Make sure to use the exact email that was associated with the closed account to ensure a successful recovery attempt. Step 3. Follow the prompts. After entering your email, follow the on-screen prompts. Google will guide you through a series of questions to verify your identity. Be prepared to answer security questions or provide recovery information if prompted. Step 4. Check for recovery options. If your account is eligible for recovery, you will see options to restore it. This may include receiving a verification code via SMS or email. Choose the method that works best for you and follow the instructions provided. Step 5. Confirm account restoration. Once you've verified your identity and followed the recovery steps, confirm that you want to restore your account. After successful restoration, you may need to update your password and review your account settings. After completing these steps, your Google account should be reopened, allowing you to access your data and services again. If you encounter any issues, consult Google's Help Center for further assistance.